going to be close.
Oh my goodness! What will win in a drag race between the new Lamborghini Temerario and a Ferrari 296? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Garwow. This Lamborghini has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 3 electric motors, 4-wheel drive, 920 horsepower and 730 newton-meters of torque. That Ferrari has a 3-litre twin-turbo V6 and an electric motor which deliver 830 horsepower and 740 newton-meters of torque. It's rear-wheel drive. And if you want to compare these cars' stats, just pause the video now. Let's start off with the drag race, but before then, let's speak to the driver of the Ferrari. Hey Mark, how you doing?
Good afternoon, sun's out.
Sun's out, fun's out. So, these cars are in the same category, but what do you think is going to happen? Ferrari or Lamborghini? Which one's going to come out victorious?
I think this little beauty has got the legs on that, so I think it's going to be close. I don't think it's a runaway victory, although you've got more horsepower, all that sort of stuff which I can use later.
All right, let's find out by having a race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's close.
What?
Really close. Oh. Not far behind. Oh mate, that was close. That was really close. Great launches from both of us.
It's just that first little bit, I thought I had you, but then that seems to just go that little oomph off the ground, but I'm not giving up yet because I think this has got a little bit more as well.
We'll come back to the drag races, but let's do some rolling races first, okay? So we're going to do it in third gear, full performance mode, manual mode for the gearbox. We're going to race over the half mile. We're going to call in at 50 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, come on!
What? That Ferrari is fast.
Where is he? Oh,
Oh no, he got this. That Ferrari is so quick, isn't it? I mean, it's lighter, less horsepower, but more torque. But I'm just talking a load of excuses, really, aren't I, Mark?
where's your extra horsepower gone? Where's it gone?
I don't know, I think it's gone to 200 extra kilograms. This is like 1.8 tons, yours is 1.6. I think that's part of the problem. But Ferraris, they are quick and they know how to do their hybrid systems. They're in Formula One, Lamborghini isn't.
Like the gear change on this are like, they're just perfect every single time. There's no like delay, it's perfection every single time.
Let's add more gear changes into it. Let's do another race. I might have you on this one though, because traction will matter. Okay, we're going to do the same rolling race and the counter or counter we're rolling at 10 miles an hour. Let's just do a quick sound check, see which car sounds the best. Not bad. Let's have a listen to your V6 twin turbo. I think that's a win for the Ferrari, don't you, Mark?
That sounds lovely.
Do you think that sounds better than your SF90?
I don't know about that. Don't be. I'm trying to sell that. Got to do everything we can to get rid of it. Need to up the price.
I thought you were. All right, okay, let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, this is going to be close. Oh no!
Oh, come on, Lamborghini, can you do this? Can you do this? I think we've got him. He's not coming back. We have the edge.
Come on!
This is really quick.
Do you know what? Again, I was getting a little bit of wheel spin on those gear changes. That was my problem. Every time you hit the gear change, a little bit of spin.
I guess it is what it is. That's what happens when you've got two-wheel drive, isn't it?
And that's its only downfall now. Like just that tiny, it was so close.
What speed were you doing?
182.
I've got a feeling I was getting on for 190. We'll have to see when I backed off, but almost 190.
That's a crazy car. It looks beautiful as well.
It's so crazy. Right, now we're going to have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. Ferrari for the win on that brake test. Mark, you're almost a car length behind. Clear win for you.
Yeah, that's definitely the weight, isn't it? But like, yeah, such a good car. I'm enjoying this. This is really good fun, so thank you.
Now, it's drag race. Remember, 1-0 to you. Let's do it.
I reckon I've got you in these drag races, you know.
Has he? We'll find out. Before then though, huge thank you to Joe, who lent me this car. He's bought it straight from the dealership. He's only just bought it. It's madness. If you want to check him out, he's got an Instagram channel called Affluent Time, right? Go follow him there. There's lots of posh watches.
And a huge thanks to Mehdi for lending us his beautiful 296.
Right, now let's race.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, Lambo.
Oh, I think that was the perfect start.
Come on.
Oh, I bet he starts moaning.
Oh my goodness. No way.
Come on.
No way. I wasn't expecting that.
Nice. This thing goes well.
You've got an SF90, right? I tell you what, the 296 I think is a better car. I mean, so fast for a V6, right?
It feels like an SF90, but you can tell it needs some front wheel pulling, but it's a great car. I can't believe I just beat that. That's great. Good start.
Oh, I don't know, I think I let the car down. I think I can do a better launch, but it's one each now. You ready for it?
I think so. I think this is. I just need to get that start perfect with the wheel spin. If I do get it right, I think it can beat you.
I reckon I'm going to beat you. I am definitely going to beat you. For the Lamborghini guys, I've got this, okay? Sorry I let you down in that race, but I've got this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, we had a good start there.
Come on. I got no chance.
And the four-wheel drive on this. Whoa. Does the job. Is he coming back? I don't know.
See, it's not losing afterwards. It's just that initial getaway.
It is so fast.
After that first 20 meters, I don't really lose a lot. It's just that first initial bit. I just need more.
Just more traction. That's four-wheel drive for you, isn't it? It just gets it ahead and then it stays ahead. 2-1 to me. You need to win the next race, or I've won.
I think this has got the legs for it. If it gets the best start, we are good.
Well, let's find out. This is the decider.
3, 2, 1.
That was a good start by the 296.
Ah, too much wheel spin.
This is so quick.
It's coming back though.
I mean, you were on the money when you launched there, Mark, but this thing is so fast, isn't it?
It just went, didn't it? This has like that first sort of like half a second of and then that just kills it.
I'm afraid four-wheel drive wins. There's no way around it. Do you know what you're going to have to do? You need to come back with your SF90.
Do you know what though? That SF90 against that would be brilliant, because that SF90 has ruled the waves for a long time. So it would be really interesting to see a cheaper baby Lambo against the ultimate drag car.
What exactly happened? Well, the Lamborghini won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 9.8 seconds. The Ferrari took 10.1 seconds. Now, if you want to see what happens with that, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we are going to set that up. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.